Hello, again, my hearty love for you, and you are most welcome again to my RCS Oxford YouTube channel. And there goes the saying in English that the more you read, the more you learn, and it is truly important for us. And side by side, I like to quote some poems. I would like to quote some lines of the poem named সবার আমি ছাত্র by সুনির্মল বসু, and the lines are বিশ্বজোড়া পাঠশালা মোর সবার আমি ছাত্র নানান ভাবের নতুন জিনিস শিখছি জীবারাত্র. Very nice. These lines are important. These lines are practical in our practical life. And okay, now let's come to our main point. Here you see on the board kinds of sound of alphabet, and already I have discussed sound of alphabet, level by level. I mean that step by step. And if we don't know the kinds of sound of alphabet, actually it is not easy for us to learn the real sound of the letters. Now let's come to a main point. You see here the English letters 26. English letters 26. The total sound 44. It is amazing. It is wonderful. It is surprising that the sound is more than the letters. The sound is more than the letters. So, really it's surprising something. Now, let's come to our main point and we'll discuss one by one. Total sound 44. And it is divided into two parts. Total sound 44 and divided into two parts. I mean the vowel sound and consonant sound. Vowel sound 20 and the consonant sound 24. And it's again a surprising matter that vowel sound 20 is divided into again two parts. One part is monophthong 12 and diphthong 8. And what is monophthong and what is diphthong? The monophthong means single sound. Single sound. I mean one sound. And the diphthong, two sounds. Double sounds. Double sounds. This is diphthong. And you see the example here. O, A, E. These are the symbols. These are the symbols. And these are the symbols. And these are the symbols are taken from, written from the dictionary, Oxford Dictionary, English to English. And if you look up the symbols, there you will find out easily. Okay, the single sound O, A, E, O, A, E. And the word, as for example, dog, A, cat, E, eat. And in the same way, diphthong, double sound, oh, this is go, oi, this is boy, this is yeah, this is yeah. So, in this way, and that's all, I have finished the lecture here, and I do hope that it is interesting for you and for me also, and the young learners and for the kids. Okay, thank you. Thank you, everybody.